Hi everyone. Today we are doing a diamond peel session in our office, and with this Oxytronics Research facial machine. It's diamond peel. It's an amazing result we will get. So we have Miss Reshma is here as our model. So we can try this diamond peel. So for that we have the handpiece. This one diamond for this, and we have tips also for the diamond. In the tip itself they have differences, like one is silver and one is gold, so they have differences. In silver the roughness is less, and for this gold the roughness will high, so you can select as per the client's requirement or as per the client's needed. So for her I am using the silver one because she don't have that much problems also, and mostly we need a thick skin, so that's why we are using the silver one for her. So we can connect that tip into this handpiece, and we can adjust this through machine. The diamond peel, it is helpful to reduce the sun damage, and it will help to remove all these dead particles in the skin. So we are starting from down, and we have the sizes of each different sizes tips also, big one, medium and the small one. Reshma, do you want more pressure? No, it's okay. And for her I am using this medium one, medium size. And as per the skin requirements, you can increase the pressure. You feel more harsh on the skin. Normally in microdermabrasion they are using, in all the terms it is using sand and all, but as per in our machine we are using the tips only, crystal tips, and it is really effective also, because it is not pain, only vacuum, and the tip is working. Instantly we can see the result, and that was the main advantage of this. We can see her face itself, the skin is coming out, the exfoliated skin is coming. And for this only we are using vacuum only. We are not using any serum or nothing. We are only using this vacuum and this tip to remove this exfoliated skin. And for the nose and all, we can use the small tip. So I am changing the tip. And here is they have filter. All these things will come to this filter, and we can see that. And for the nose, I'm using this small tape, small diamond tape. The same silver I chose. Additional pressure is okay for the nose. As per the client's skin, you can increase the pressure, you can decrease the pressure, and it will help to remove the blackheads, whiteheads. So the first stage is finished. We collect all these exfoliated skins and blackheads, all these, and here is the filter. It's coming all these exfoliated skin cells and blackheads, whiteheads, all we can collect it here. So after this, this is the first step, and second we can do the extraction. But we are not using the same handpiece. We can change the handpiece. So I connected the handpiece, like hydradermabrasion handpiece we are using. For the extraction stage, we are using hydradermabrasion handpiece and the small spiral tip also. So for the peeling, after this diamond, the peeling we are doing with the glycolic progel. 30% glycolic progel we are using. It's instead of steaming. So by hand we can apply it. While applying this, we feel some tingling sensation. It is normal only. Ishma, you feel that tingling? We are mainly focusing on these T-zone areas to apply this. You feel that itching, right? So it will go faster. It means it works, that's the thing. It will help to open the pores. So after this, we can do the extraction with the hydradermabrasion handpiece, and here we can adjust the pressure. So I will make like 14-16, and we are using small spiral. So we will start from down. Now you feel more pressure. Do you want to decrease, or do you feel is it okay? Can I increase it more? Yes. Is it okay? After applying the glycolic, we are doing extraction with the OV Salicylic Plus. It will help to remove more blackheads, whiteheads. If we use more pressure, it will give more redness and all. It's not harm, but they feel like more irritating. So that's why we are adjusting the pressure as per the client's requirement. Serums, it is the salicylic. For the extraction, we are using OV Salicylic Plus. It is really helpful to prevent the acne, and it will help to remove blackheads, whiteheads, because they have honey extract, ginger extract, and aloe vera extracts all. So it will help to reduce the acne bacteria. So for the nose, I increasing more pressure because we need to remove more. blackheads, whiteheads. That's why I just using it. But it's as per the skin, always should be like that. So extraction is finished with the OV Salicylic Plus. Then we will do the hydration. Then as per the client's requirements, we can add the brightening. If she wants brightening, we can add brightening. So I am using the same handpiece, but I am changing the tip. I am using big spiral tip for the hydration. The serum is also different. We can see here this OV Cleanse and OV Salicylic. It is for the hydration, and we have OV Antiox Plus here for the hydration. It's OV Cleanse Plus. We are using for the cleansing stage. But now I didn't use this because we did the cleansing with the diamond, and this OV Salicylic Plus we just used for the extraction, and we have the OV Antiox for the hydration. So I'm just starting this hydration. The same handpiece, but the tip is different. We are just filling with the Antiox. So I finished this hydration also. So I'm just spreading this serum, and we need to wait until it's dry. Means it will dry as fastly, so that's why we just spreading it all face. So it's almost dry and it's absorbed. So after that, we can use oxygen spray with different. We have two kind of serums which we can use with the spray. So we have skin brightening and we have peptide infusion. So for her, I am using skin brightening because she has some dark spots here and she has some acne also. So we can use her for the skin brightening, and we can select which handpiece we need for reducing the acne and the dark spot, brown spot. We have high frequency here. So after the spray we can use that one. So I am using the brightening one. And here this is a can for storing this serum. So we can fill, we can use like a half of this can. So in machine we can select the handpiece which we need. So I select spray, just start, and then we can apply the whole face. Which one better to close your eyes? Okay. You feel cool? It's normal. We are using this skin brightening. It will help to brighten the skin, and it will help to reduce these dark spots, brown spots and all. We can just spread in the serum in all areas. So after this we can give a massage to absorb the serum and all. Reshma, how you feel after this means spray and all?
It's cool.
You feel the cool?
Yes.
Because of the serum it is, and we are using that spray gun also because it is coming with the vacuum. Now also we can see her face as a lot of difference, like more bright and clean. You feel that anything?
Yes, I feel so clear. Clear.
So we need to wait like 1 to 2 seconds because we need to some dry on this serum. We will need to dry the serums. So after this we can use the high frequency. this is the handpiece for the high frequency, and we have 4 kind of tips for the high frequency. The big one.
Looking for sample 20 minutes.
Actually, we can use skin brightening, or otherwise we can use peptide infusion or peptide plus. You can use anyone if you need, like it depends upon the client complaint also. So she has some dark spot, brown spot. That's why I use her brightening. If your client is more aged, or she has fine lines, otherwise she need like skin tightening or skin lifting, you can select any other serums. For like peptide infusion, you can use with this spray gun, and you can apply the whole face, and you can do a little massage. After that, you can use, we have different hand pieces for different function. We have this is ultrasound small, and we have the ultrasound big one. This is the ultrasound big one. So it will help to skin lift and skin tight. So if your client is with the aging person, if they need skin tightening or skin lifting, so that time you can use peptide in OV peptide plus, and you can use these 2 hand pieces. So it will help to get skin tight and skin lift. And if you want to do, if they have too much age, like they have like more than 50, you can suggest them to do like sessions. It will definitely, you will get an amazing result for that. So otherwise, if she need like fine lines, wrinkles also, she needs skin lifting, skin tightening, and she need the fine lines. So that time you can use the same serum or peptide, and you can use this biocurrent. It will help to reduce the fine lines, wrinkles. So these all 3 hand pieces we can use with the anti-aging. We can use anti-aging like ultrasound big, ultrasound small, and biocurrent. These 3 hand pieces we can use with the OV peptide. It will help to look you more younger. It's the best hand pieces for in our machine. And for her, I used that brightening. Now her face is bright and looking more pretty. So I'm using a high frequency handpiece for her, and I'm using the big one, this rounded tip I'm using. We have like more than, we have here the 3 handpieces like tips we have. This we can use the whole face. It will help to reduce the pigmentation, and these are the 2 functions, but it's a different area. This we can use the cheeks and for her, and if she has any, if she need problems in neck also, you can use that this tip you can use on neck side. And one more tip we have, this is the important one. This is the tip for the active acne. If the client has some active acne coming, that means if the acne is coming out, it will help to kill the active acne bacteria. We can connect it on this handpiece, and we can just touch the, if she don't have the active acne, so that's why I use the round tape. So here we can control the frequency also. If she need more frequency, we can increase it, but we are recommending like a minimum frequency level, because that is enough for to remove dark spots, brown spots. So I'm just doing on her whole face. Shma, are you okay? If you feel any spark or something, you can just tell me, okay? It will not, but in case the sound only feel like that, but it will not. So it will help to reduce your dark spots, brown spots, and it will help to close the pores also. some acne here, not like active acne, something coming out, so that's why we need to use more time here. And you can do like 10 to 20 minutes, the full face with this hand base. So I finished this high frequency. So if she has any active acne, we can use other tips also. So I finished with the high frequency, all these diamond. So how Reshma, how you feel it?
Yeah, I feel so smooth.
Smooth.
Yes.
You feel like the face is clean.
Yes. It's clean.
You feel clean more.
Yeah, it's really amazing.
So this is our diamond peel with the OV facial machine, Oxytronics Visage facial machine. And if you need more details, if you want to know more details regarding this machine, our protocols, and you can message us in our social media pages. Thank you. And we have like home care products also, means you can use it in home, like moisturizing creams, sunblocks, like that. We have our own home care products also. If you want more information about this, you can just message us in our social media pages. And please visit our website for getting more knowledge about information about our team and our Oxytronics. Thank you. It's oxytronics.com. You can check that website in our oxytronics.com. And thank you for watching. Thank you.